I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. Now, today we're going to be talking about pizza and how you can make pizza without having to make the actual dough. Now, on our website you'll find a ton of recipes, some of them that will say go to your local pizzeria and buy a pound of dough, which you can do, which is great. But a lot of them, and I especially do this at home when I want a quick fix, is to make pizza from flatbreads. And I've got a couple, well, several here just to show you, and these are usually the easiest to find. We have just like the regular pita bread, and you just use the whole thing. I love these little mini ones because these are like, they're just like tiny mini things. You don't split them or everything. I mean, these have all got little split in them so you could stuff them, but that's not what we're going to do here. Fly came in. Fly zoomed in. What we're going to do with these is literally cover them with yummy things like some mozzarella cheese, vegetables, and even like a hummus made of beans to actually make these little delicious little quick pizzas. Now, my other favorite bread to do this with is naan. Now, naan is a yeasted, couple of different sorts here. This is the more traditional one, which is just made with plain wheat, and then we've got the whole wheat one. The pita breads, by the way, are all whole wheat, and these are actually kind of fabulous because I think, to my taste, these are the closest to regular pizza dough. Now, what this allows you to do is to make a meal in minutes, literally by, with using any toppings that you happen to have in your fridge. The other great thing about all of these breads is that they freeze fantastically. So if you're like me, you'll have a packet of pita breads in your freezer or a couple of packets of naan, so that if you really want to make a quick snack that's kind of wholesome but with a lot of different things going on, you can pull one of these out and just literally pop it in the oven to defrost and then put the toppings on. Couldn't be easier. And quite honestly, it allows you to make something that's homemade, we all love cheese, but less cheesy, and you can put a more healthy variety of toppings on your pizza, and it's quick. Especially if you've got kids, you can just literally make something in 10 minutes. Well, and we all need that sometimes too, don't we? So anyway, flatbreads for pizza, who knew?